What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Carly. Nice to meet you. I am a birth and postpartum doula specializing in home birth, and this is a series that I've created called The Sounds of Labor, where I'm taking you through each stage and giving you some real raw footage of what these stages can possibly look and sound like to hopefully help you feel more adequately prepared for your birth. As a birth doula, I began to notice a consistent theme coming up with my clients during our postpartum visit. There was always this one moment where almost every single one of my clients would break into tears and just become really emotional reflecting on their birth experience. And almost every single time, they would say something along the lines of, I wish I hadn't let myself get so out of control, or I'm disappointed about how loud I was, or I can't believe that I screamed like that. And the objective of this series is to eliminate the shame that tends to arise after a labor experience by providing some real life examples of what you might look like, sound like, or feel like during each stage of labor. In today's video, I will be showing stage 1 of labor and more specifically zooming in on phase 3 transition. If you haven't seen the other videos in this series, I will link the entire playlist for you right here so that you can go and watch all the episodes to get the full picture. Before we jump into it, if you haven't already, please consider hitting that subscribe button. I would love to have you as a part of this empowering community, and be sure to hit that notification bell as well so that you know whenever my new videos go live. I upload every single week, and as usual, I will be including all of the timestamps down below so that you can stay for the parts you want and leave the rest. With all that said, let's go ahead and jump into today's video of the sounds of labor.
Okay.
Oh,
there you go. There you go. That's it. That's it. Breathe it away for me.
Carly, next tightening, I'm just going to put my hand down and see if I can feel bulging, okay?
okay.
There's no internal examination, you're just feeling, see what I can feel.
Okay.
I'm right here, Cass, right here.
Doing great.
I don't think there's anything bulging, but
Okay. Did you feel like your water had broken? Yeah?
yes.
Sounds like she's bearing down with the last few.
She certainly does.
Yeah.
I'd like you to try and leave that as loose as you can rather than bearing down right now.
Okay.
Okay? There you go.
So beautiful. So strong. There you
the pop?
Where did you feel the release?
I don't know what the difference would be.
One actually feels like a pop. Almost like you could
And the
hear
other
it.
is a rush of water.
Rush of water.
Beautiful. 132 to 135. Better see sure. I see Renix.
Oh, nice.
And it looks
There
like
you go.
keep breathing. Loose throat. Wonderful. Right down the bottom. It's okay, I'm not just feeling that outside of your labia there. I feel like I can feel slight gaping
Wonderful.
at the height of those contractions.
What does that mean?
Just like,
Maybe a separating?
yeah, the baby's moving
I understand.
inside your vagina.
I gotcha.
I really want you to try and keep your throat nice and loose.
Okay.
That is going to give you a really sore throat.
Yeah.
So drop your throat, drop your chin. Relax your jaw as much as you can. Let the sounds be really loose and open.
Yeah. Okay.
But you got this.
You got it.
You got this. You're doing great. Really
Let that come. There you go. Driving it down. That's it. Open and low.
Oh, well done. That's it. Perfect.
That's it.
Good.
Wonderful. Beautiful,
great.
Carly. Just like that. Need some water?
I'm gonna let go of one hand. No.
No, I'll get it.
Yeah, okay. I'm right here with 2 hands. She's gonna get it.
There you go, deep and low.
Breathe it away. Breathe it away.
There you go.
Breathe it away. Good.
Alright.
Good. That's great. Let it go when it's gone. Use your breath. Nice.
That's it.
Nice.
There you go.
Oh, it's definitely descending.
Oh, yes, I can hear it. Turn it down.
Wonderful. Good.
The baby has officially tucked their head.
Wonderful, Mark. You got it. Nice and slow. Let it happen. Loosen my hand. That's it.
Good.
There you go. You've got
Breathe it away as long as you can, darling. I just need to check how I'm feeling. That. Okay. Carry on. Do what you got to do.
Switch legs.
Absolutely. Nice and show.
My leg was asleep. My leg was asleep.
Okay, just stay right here.
Yep, stay
right
there.
Don't
Stay there.
cry.
Take a break where you are.
Nice big lump of bloody shirt.
Good. Bucket.
Bucket. That's it. That's it. Low and slow. Good. Let's change position again, love. Good.
That's it. Beautiful. Way to keep it open.
That's good, just keep it calm.
She's so strong, I don't want her to just suddenly push a baby out without anybody knowing.
She's amazing.
She's so
That's what she
powerful.
did last time.
Exactly, yeah.
That's it. You're powerful. You are so powerful.
Loose and open. Loose and open.
Good job, get him.
Beautiful work. There you go. Follow that through. That's the way, right down into your bottom part. Nice loose bottom. That's it.
Just make sure there is no cervix there.
That's it.
Almost like you feel on top of the baby's
Mm-hmm.
You're doing great.
Yeah.
You're getting so close.
Yeah.
You're gonna be holding your baby soon. Awesome.
Balance up. I know you're tired, sweetie.
You are so
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
You've got this.
That's the way.
That's going to do it for stage 1, phase 3 transition. If you'd like to watch stage 1, phase 2 active labor, then click here. And if you're ready to watch stage 2 pushing and delivery, then click here. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in next week's video. Bye.